In this question, we have to find the value of this determinant without expanding 1, 1, 1, a, b, c, and a square, b square, and c square. So by using the determinant property, we have to find the value of this determinant. Delta is 1, 1, 1, a, b, c, a square, b square, and c square. So यहाँ पर कौन सी डिटरमिनेंट प्रॉपर्टी लगाएं? फर्स्टली हम लिखते हैं c2 को c2 minus c1 and c3 को c3 minus c1. Okay, so this will become del is 1 a square, c1 is as it is, c2 is c2 minus c1, so this will become 0, b minus a, b square minus a square, and this will become 0, c minus a, and c square minus a square. Okay, so this del, you take common b minus a from the c2 and c minus a from the c3. So b minus a and c minus a is, let's take common b minus a, c minus a as common. So this will become 1 a square, 0 1 b plus a, this will become 0 1 c plus a. Okay, so delta is b minus a into my c minus a. Now we expand along r1. So because two elements of r1 is equal to 0, so along 1 this will become c plus a minus of b plus a, so b minus a, so a से cancel out, so this will become b minus a into में c minus a into में c minus b. Okay, और we can write it as delta values comes out to be, इसमें माइनस कॉमन लेंगे तो हो जाएगा a minus b, माइनस आगे और इसमें से माइनस कॉमन लेंगे तो माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा b minus c and this is c minus a. Okay, so the delta equal to a minus, value of this determinant equal to a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. Okay, so by using the determinant property, value of this determinant equal to a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. Okay, so this is the answer for this question.